In this ukulele tutorial and play along, sing along, we're going to do one of my favorite Christmas songs. This one has been done by Frank Sinatra and Bing Crosby, also Michael Bublé. This one is I'll Be Home for Christmas. If only in my dreams. Welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thank you for being here. This is a really fun video for me to do. But anyway, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, please subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. If you're into these tutorials, we do reviews. We also do Guitarlele and Baritone as well. So this is part of my Christmas series. And if you like Christmas songs, then I have other videos to make sure that you check out as well. Now, this one is going to be a tutorial. I'm going to show you the strum pattern, the chords here. But I highly recommend clicking the link below. Go sign up. You can get this sheet music, the chords, the lyrics, the chord diagrams, and also the killer backing track totally for free. Just go ahead and sign up for that. So anyway, this is one of the great songs, I'll Be Home for Christmas, like I mentioned earlier, done by Bing Crosby, Frank Sinatra, and more recently, a great version by Michael Bublé as well. Now, this version came from, this is one of my favorite books here. This is the, what is this? Christmas Ukulele Fake Book. There it is. This one's by Hal Leonard. This one has tons and tons of songs in it. What is it? Over 250 songs, over 250 Christmas songs. And if you like this book, you can get it at my store, the #1 store online. That is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right. Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's just go ahead and dive into it. Let me play a little bit for you and I'll show you that strum pattern that I'm going to use. Now, this is a ballad. So when you have a ballad, you have a lot of options of how you want to strum. I'm going to give you like a real basic one. By the way, it's cool. These chords are all like really simple chords. So you know me, I usually like to give you the harder jazz chords and stuff like that. But this one, I'm actually following the chords that are in this book, the one I just showed you. So they're all going to be very simple. So even if you're just kind of getting started with ukulele, these chords are totally within your ability, okay? So what we're gonna do is, it's a really nice swing feel for it. And so what I'm gonna do for this is I'm gonna just do this, I like to start off with my thumb. If you wanna just do a strum with your first finger, that's totally fine. But remember, this is a ballad. It's supposed to be kind of slow and just really kind of mellow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a thumb strum, just gonna kind of rake my thumb down, 1. And then the basic strum pattern would just be down, up, down, up, down. So you could do that for the whole song. Let's do that, and I'll show you a couple of variations. 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and one more time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again, that's one strum. There it is. I forgot that last strum pattern, that last upstroke. But I'm going to do some variations, so I'll probably do that. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Notice you can also throw in some arpeggios there. Arpeggio, just simply real easy arpeggios from the 4th string down to the 1st. So you can add some variety. You can even do a different strum pattern if you want, but that's just to kind of keep it going. Now, I'm using a low G. If you have a high G, it's totally fine. This tutorial, this version is meant for everybody. So that's really the strum pattern. The chords aren't too bad. You're going to be on the screen, the diagrams, the rhythms, everything you need to know. The cursor is going to move along. So I'm not going to break down every single chord, because you can pause the video and look at the chords, or even better, like I mentioned earlier, click the link below, go sign up. You get this song, the song sheet, the chords, everything, the backing track, totally for free. Just got to go ahead and sign up for that. Okay, so, but I will play just maybe the first couple of measures, or maybe the first couple of lines, and then we're going to jump in right with the backing track. Okay, so here we go. By the way, the singers out there, if you're a singer, oh, that's your note. It's right there. First chord is G, and that's your starting note. Oh, right on the root. Okay, so let's play a little bit, and then we're going to add the back track. 1, 2, 3, and I'll be home for Christmas. can play on me. All right, so that's gonna be the overall vibe for it. You notice I basically did the strum pattern, but I also did some arpeggios. And if you want to do some other chord stuff, A minor, just some moving melodies, you can do that as well. And by the way, if you know fancier chords, like instead of doing like the A minor 7 movement, if you want to do the more fancy version like that, go ahead and do it. You totally can. So anyway, let's go ahead and do with the backing track. Again, go sign up for that. And then if you dig what I'm doing, you like everything, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got courses. Yeah, we have tutorials. We got tons of tutorials, thousands of courses, thousands of lessons, tons of courses, and also a fantastic premium membership that is going to give you worldwide access to the Uke Like the Pros community. That's the Uke Like the Pros Nation, we call it, and come be a part of it. We're really going to help you with your confidence and your playing and everything like that. So, all right, you ready? Let's go ahead and see how you do with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, and I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love like gleams. And I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dream. All right, so how did you do? I actually ended up keeping the rhythm pretty straight for that whole time. But again, you can loosen it up. You can add some different chords. Don't forget, I got this version, this arrangement from this great book right here. This is an Ukulele Christmas fake book. It is available at my store, the #1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com, as well as a Koaloha mango, just like this. So anyway, thanks for being here. Don't forget, if you want that backing track, the sheet music, all that stuff, click the link below, totally for free for you to sign up. Thanks for being here. Leave a comment if you dug this video. Also, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate all the support, and we'll see you in the next one.